Okay, this is a video of 221, which is category BB balcony cabin. So as we walk into the room, you can see that there are two balconies. There's an inside balcony and an outside balcony. So we have these twin balconies, and then we pan across to the double bed, which is very comfortable. I would like to add, there's a really nice little touch left on the bed, these lovely luggage tags that you can see. And then as we pan around the room, TV, lamp, complimentary water, quite a long desk, which is nice to see. Some PowerPoints there, different ones. There's 110, there's 230, there's some other PowerPoints there, USB plugs, as you can see. Looking into the wardrobe, once again, there's some umbrellas provided, lots of coat hangers. Over here is a robe, safe, slippers, extra blankets down the bottom. Going into the bathroom now, you'll see that the bathroom is pretty well appointed. You get vanity set, hand and body lotion, shower cap, towels up here, mirror for the makeup, which is always great, tissues. There's a robe here. There's also a robe in the other wardrobe. Below is a hairdryer, which is a good size hairdryer, so that's great. Toilet, etc. And then in here into the shower, and in the shower you're provided with shampoo, conditioner, which are separate, which is always great, and shower gel. I love the shower. We got the rain head as well as the hand held shower, and we also have a little clothesline in here that goes across. The other thing that's kind of cute and cool about this is there is this particular window here, and you can flick it on and off if you want to see what's going on in the cabin. So that is the bathroom on a BB cabin on the AmaLucia.